Recently on Instagram, I had a viewer asking me about an instant setup chair and table. I took a look at those products and I found both to be rather intriguing. This episode is about the chair. Coming up soon, I'll have an episode about the table. This product is called the Cliq Chair. I personally have never heard of this company and I haven't seen this product before. The company claims that this is an instant setup chair. You could set this up in about 4 or 5 steps and it takes no time at all. That is what the company claims, and I can tell you all, it's true. It does set up rather quickly. The company also claims that this is an incredibly compact and surprisingly comfortable chair. Patented all-in-one, designed for quick and easy setup. Opens like magic, bottle size, perfectly portable, supports up to 300 pounds. Is this perfectly portable? Well, I guess that really depends on what your definition of portable is and what exactly you're doing with this chair. In other words, where are you taking it? Is that bottle size? Maybe. I guess there are some water bottles out there around this size, but in my opinion, this is a little bit bigger than even your largest water bottle. As far as weight goes, that's where things get a little bit cloudy. If you're taking this out of the trunk of your car and you're going to watch your kids play soccer, okay. If you're going to put this in your backpack and hike 10 miles, I would say no. We will touch upon that aspect and others here in just a second. My name is Luke, this is the Outdoor Gear Review, and this is my preview of the Cliq Chair. Folks, let's get started. To begin here, let's go ahead and let's set up this chair and let's go through the steps that are required to set it up. As you can see here, we have a compression strap that holds the chair together. As soon as you undo the compression strap, the legs will spring out. There's a spring on the inside. Basically, they're under tension. So you take off the strap and they shoot out. Be careful not to let them hit you in the chest. As soon as they spring out, they will lock into place. To unlock them, you'll push this button down in the bottom. These are the legs and these are the feet. Up here at the top, that's the seating portion. Now with every single one of these posts, they telescope and lock into place. The front will lock once. The back side will lock twice. Here we have it, everybody. The chair has been put together and that literally takes seconds. Okay, so here we are, sitting in the chair. The position of this chair is interesting to me. It's much more slouchy, loungy, I think is actually the term, than most chairs. Like you really lean back, as you all can see here. This is the natural seating position of this chair, and as is when sitting in this, as far as comfort goes, this is okay. It's okay. On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the most comfortable, I would give this a 7. And that's because I really do feel like the bottom of the chair digging into my legs. Now, if I want to sit up in this, the comfort goes from a 7 to a 5, maybe even a 4. It drops substantially. And again, it's because of the seating position. Naturally, it wants you to lay back and look up. This chair does not want you to look forward. When you're sitting in this, it really is digging into the backside of your legs. Basically, because of the material that's at the back of your legs here, it prevents you from sticking your legs out. So you're leaning back, but your legs basically have to go straight down. Putting your legs out like this puts additional pressure on the backs of your legs. And it's not comfortable. Not comfortable at all, actually. Folks, this is an interesting product, I have to say. Based upon what you're seeing on the screen here, does this look comfortable to you all? It's not like I'm leaning back, it's almost like I'm laying down. That's how far back I am. That's how far back it feels, at least. And again, to sit up, it's really not that comfortable. As far as stability goes, it is surprisingly stable. But going back to that seating position, it's odd. Let's compare this to another chair, another foldable chair. That way you can see just how far back I'm sitting. Back to this chair for 1 second. Now over to this one. This is completely different than that one, 100%. I'm definitely sitting more upright with this. I'm leaning back slightly. With this one here, I'm almost laying down. It's funny. With this chair here, I can easily put my legs out and it is comfortable. The backside is not digging into my legs here. Let's take a second here and let's go over the stats concerning this chair. So as far as the dimensions go when it's folded up, you're looking at 14 inches long by 4 by 4, and it tapers down in size towards the hub. When the chair is set up, it is 26 inches high, and that's non-adjustable. It is 22 inches wide, and it's 21.9 inches deep. As far as the materials go, the company states aluminum and ripstop ballistic nylon. The weight of this chair is 3.7 pounds. The company claims it supports up to 300 pounds worth of weight. It is available in numerous colors: black, green, blue, gray, red, and there's also a camo color. The retail price of this is $110, but I purchased this on Amazon using a discount code, and it cost me $100. I took a quick look at the Cliq website, and it looks like they offer a number of different chairs. This chair here is more tailored for outdoor use, whereas the others are tailored more for like patio use, lounging, and so on. I mentioned at the beginning of this episode that this chair features patented technology, or at least that's what the company claims. My question is this: who is it patented by? The reason that I'm asking this question is this: after I saw this product, it looked unique to me, and I was thinking that maybe it was proprietary to them. Folks, I was way wrong about that. At least on Amazon, everybody, there are a million chairs that feature the exact same design as this. They look to be identical with one exception: the logos are different. While I've never seen this sort of instant pop-up chair design before, that means nothing. Apparently this has been out on the market for a long time, and there are plenty of competitors to this chair. Unfortunately, I didn't see any competitor chairs that were drastically less expensive than this one here. They all run around the same price, which is around $100. With all of that being said, folks, I'm going to begin testing out this chair from this point forward. In the future, I will pass on my official review. Right now, this is just a first look. I have to say that as far as comfort goes, I'm not really impressed with this chair at all. The overall seating position to me is weird. Again, you're not really sitting in it, you're just kind of like laying back. You're lounging. Next, because of the weight, backpacking in my opinion is out of the question. You can find foldable chairs like the other one that I showed. They cost a whole lot less and they weigh half as much. The quality of this chair looks to be very good. I see no issues when it comes to the materials, to the fit and finish, and the seam work looks excellent. When talking about the materials, I have to say that the frame feels exceptionally robust. But I cannot say the same about the seating material itself. It's very thin, it doesn't feel very strong. That's not to say that it isn't. I'm not saying that you're going to have an issue, but as far as like the feeling goes, it's not substantial. All of the weight of this chair is in that frame system. It has nothing to do with the seating material at all. The pack size for this chair is very impressive. It's small, it's compact, and it's smaller, in fact, than most backpacking camp chairs. As far as the overall seating size, for your average adult, this is going to work well. I do believe that the larger that you are, the more uncomfortable this chair is going to be. Getting in and out of it's going to be difficult because it's more of like, again, a lounging sort of situation. Also, I think the larger that you are, the more the material at the back of your legs is going to dig in. At 3.7 pounds, you can forget about this chair for backpacking purposes, but for everything else, I think it could work. Unfortunately, the chair's not super comfortable, so anyways, you know what I'm saying. I have to say that I am impressed with the setup process. It is very, very simple. The same applies for breaking it down. Again, it's very, very simple. No storage bag is included, and I think that's a fail. That's a miss from the company. They, of course, sell storage bags, but one is not included. And that, my friends, takes us over to my summary for this chair. Based upon my initial impressions, I wish I did not purchase this. The biggest selling point to this chair for me is that when you compare this to other foldable camp chairs like the one I brought out and sat next to, this is incredibly easy to set up, whereas some of those folding chairs can be difficult to put together. In fact, they can require quite a bit of strength to put the seating area onto the frame. That is not the case with this chair. I've shared my thoughts and my opinions of this chair. I'm going to continue testing it out for a while, and I will be back in a few months with my ultimate review. You never know, folks. Maybe my opinion of this chair will change in the future, but as is, I can't say that I like this product. You might be wondering why I'm going to continue testing out this product, and that's because I had a request to review this product, and I agreed. Everything that I review is based upon your feedback. There was a request, I found it interesting, and here we are today. For now, everyone, I am done. Make sure to sound off in the comment section down below. Share your thoughts. What do you all think about the Cliq Chair? If you have any experience with the Cliq Chair, make sure to share it with the community. If you have enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up. It does help a lot. Until next time, take care, be well, strength and honor.